I'm expecting Amazon to rally within the next 1 to 2 months up to $260. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the technical setup that is currently in play, as well as the insane amount of unusual options flow that has been hitting the tape. If we take a look at Amazon, you're going to see that we have a wedge in play. This occurs on the daily chart in this specific example, where price is bouncing and making higher lows and lower highs. This type of pattern is normally called a continuation pattern, which means that it's normally going to break out or break down in whatever direction the previous trend has been. In this case, it should break out to the upside. Now, for those of you who use the BX Trender and follow my system, you probably realize now that on the monthly BX Trender, which I have overlaid at the bottom of your screen, that while it is red for the month of December, the month of December has not closed. This is very important because in order for us to take a position, the monthly BX Trender has to be green. And in this example, even though it's showing red, it's technically green, because we only go off of confirmation. This means that price could bounce on Amazon within the next 2 weeks, and we're going to see this monthly BX Trender shift right back to green. So this here, just from a technical perspective, meeting all of my requirements, is normally a good sign to be buying the dip. Now, if you're somebody who wants to set up these indicators and learn our strategy completely for free, the link to our free course library with all of our step-by-step system and indicators is down in the description, and the BX Trender is part of step 1. So we know that the technicals are setting up for a rally, but there's another piece to this puzzle that is giving me the idea that institutions are also aligning with our thesis of a potential breakout. Now, if we go to our THT student portal, which all of our Discord members get access to, we can come over to the unusual flow section. This area is going to show us unusual options flow that hit the market that meet my specific criteria. So anything that gets posted here, I myself have actually picked by hand and shared. Now, if we go into the search function, we can click AMZN, and this is going to show us all of the past options flow that are still live. So for instance, you can see at the bottom of your screen, this grayed out section. This is an option that expired already, so we don't care about this. And I want you to notice how many of these unusual flows have happened since the beginning of December and even November. And most importantly, look at the dates: 6/17/2027, $255 call. 5/15/2026, $250 call. These all expire within the next 2, 3, 4 months, and some even out until June of 2027. This is a very good sign because it means that from an options standpoint, they're expecting a 2, 3, 4+ month rally, which lines up with our analysis. Now, of course, just because all of these things are meeting criteria or showing this does not mean that the stock has to break out. There are plenty of times where quality setups and unusual options flow completely fail, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to not take a position. If those requirements are met, I'm going to follow and take a trade. Now, if we look at the most recent ones from the past 2 days, the ones that really stick out to me short term are going to be these here. You're going to see that we had about a $3 million call flow that came through for an expiration of 2/20/2026 with a strike price of $235. Today, we had another call flow come through, this time for about $3.5 million with an expiration again of 2/20/2026, this time going for a $225 strike. So once again, this is a very good sign that institutions are positioning themselves in the options market for a multi-month to multi-week breakout. And when we look at our technical setup, it's showing a multi-week to multi-month breakout. And so what I did was I took within our whale flow section, since we have a separate fund than our main shares fund, I took some call options for that position. I followed the $235 calls from yesterday, and I'm expecting this breakout to happen within the next 3 to 6 weeks. As always, I hope this video helps. To get access to all of the indicators as well as learn how to read unusual options flow, The link to all of our courses are down in the description for free. And if you want to implement that trading strategy with me and my team live each and every single day, the link to our private Discord community will be down below. You get direct access to me. You get to trade with our team of over 2,000 traders following the same system. And you get access to all of our tools, such as the THT student portal, where you'll get access to our weekly watch list, all of the trades being held in all of my funds, and all of the unusual whale alerts that we talked about in today's video.